Here is my audience. Okay. By selling hundreds of different innovative products to mainly one customer, they have reached over $45 billion in sales just last year. Lockheed Martin is the largest provider of technology services, systems integration, and training in the U.S. government. First, I'd like to go over a brief history, then I'd like to go more in depth on one of their biggest divisions and some of their products. A brief background on Lockheed Martin and their company history is that Lockheed Martin is essentially a global security and aerospace company headquartered in Maryland. The company started over 100 years ago as two separate entities, the Glenn L. Martin Company and the Lockheed Aircraft Company. Both companies were inspired by Orville Wright and focused on innovating new aircraft designs. The companies both excelled in the aeronautics and defense industry on their own for many years. It wasn't until 1995 that the two companies combined to form Lockheed Martin. Today, Lockheed Martin primarily provides services that would pertain to the United States Department of Defense. However, that is not the only thing that they do. The company is actively involved in research, design, and development in all technology systems. Lockheed Martin is comprised of 5 major businesses: aeronautics, information systems and global solutions, missiles and fire control, mission systems and training, and space systems, with aeronautics being their largest branch. While the U.S. is their main customer, Lockheed Martin is dedicated to establishing many partnerships with countries around the world. Their mission is to solve complex problems, advance scientific discovery, and deliver innovative solutions to keep people safe and to serve their customers. Their values are do what's right, respect others, and perform with excellence. Secondly, I'd like to talk about Lockheed Martin's Aeronautics Company specifically. As you can see, Lockheed Martin has a highly diversified range of products. However, considering that aeronautics was their initial business venture and that their aeronautics division today contributes over $17 billion in sales per year, it has become one of the largest divisions of the company. Their goal is to deliver a full spectrum of aeronautical resources. They provide aircraft for combat, air mobility, reconnaissance, and surveillance. These products are used for defense in the United States and more than 65 other countries around the world. They also provide training for these vehicles to enable the right people with the right skills to operate their products. Lockheed Martin Aeronautic Company has made over 17 different types of aircraft vehicles over the years. These range from fighter jets to support air fighters and airborne hunters that track submarines from the skies. Lockheed Martin Aeronautics has several locations across America where they produce these vehicles. However, they are headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. Third, I'd like to delve deeper into one aspect of Lockheed Martin Aeronautics and talk about their types of fighter jets. Their most recent ones are the F-16, F-22, and F-35 fighter jets. The F-16 has been used in the defense industry for more than 40 years now. It is considered a 4th-generation fighter with multi-role fighter capabilities. The first F-16 was flown in 1974 and has been continually upgraded since then to ensure it stays competitive and relative to the market. The F-22 is the first of what is considered a 5th-generation fighter, with the ability to do air-to-air and air-to-ground combat missions. The F-22 is active today and used by the United States Air Force as of May 2012. The F-35 is the newest and most advanced multi-role fighter jet, and it is at least 6 times more effective in combat and surveillance than the older jet models. Another added feature to the F-35 is that it can be in stealth mode. The F-35 cannot be detected by radars like most other aircraft. By December 2015, they will have it confirmed and used by the United States Marine Corps. Overall, Lockheed Martin has been a vital provider of defense technology for many years. They have a rich history, a leading role in the aeronautics industry, and highly advanced products. Lockheed Martin has definitely made a large impact in the safety of the United States as well as many other countries.